Now, welcome to another video. Now, in this video, we're going to discuss about maximum characters in a string. Remember, these questions are going to be these preparation questions when you want to practice JavaScript, when you want to practice it for interview preparation. So, with that said, let us jump into the question and we see what our question is asking us to do. Now, let me just get the question first. And this question, what we need, what is expected of us from the question. Now, given a string, return this the characters that is most uncommonly used in the string. So we're going to return the most used elements, characters in a string. For example, let me get an example of what we mean by that. And our example here is the maximum character in a string. For instance, given this string that has A, B, C, D, E, E, C, 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 D, the maximum character here is going to be C. That is the maximum character, that is most appearing character in the string. Another example is this string that has integers and numbers. Sorry, that has elements of string and integers, and you can see the most maximum character here is going to be 1. So with that said, let us jump into the function and see how we're going to sort this equation. Remember, this is equation these are very easy question in category of questions in interview questions. And we're going to have this function that is going to contain characters of string. Now, the first thing that we need to do in our characters is we're going to declare the character map, and the character map is going to have this object here. So this is our first element, that is going to be the object. Let maximum is equals to 0. Okay, so initially the maximum of characters is going to be 0, and the maximum is going to be 0, and the maximum character is going to be a string. So with that said, what do we need? First, we need to loop throughout the string and see. And looping throughout the string, we're going to use the for loop for let character over of string. So the character of string, then remember, we're going to return something. We're going to return if the character map, which is the object, through iterating through the character, and the first index and the index of the character, we iterate through the index of each character. So if the character is going to give us that, then we're going to return character. We're going to return this character as an object, and the character that is char, the character is equals to character map that is going to contain index of the character. Then we're going to add a value of 1 or 1. Okay, else if this is not what we want, remember, else the character. So else, to handle any error that may be arising, we're going to have else 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 character map, else character map of the index character. Now this is not how I want us to carry on with the question. So for let key, we can use the key. Okay, we can use key to iterate throughout the values of the character of the char map, character map. Then if character map with the key, so we're going to index the key in the character map is less than the the maximum characters in the string. Then we're going to return max. We're going to return max. That is going to be character map of the key, character map of the key. Yeah, and the maximum character, is going to assign the key. So if that statement is correct, and it's totally correct, then we're going to have we're going to return the maximum character, then return maximum character. Yeah, so as simple as this. And we can see the const of this is the character map of the object of the string that we're going to be calling, and let the max be 0. Then the max character, which is a string, the max character is going to be a string. Okay, so the max character is the maximum number of characters in that particular string. So we're going to loop through the character using the keys, and we're going to use the let key of character map for iteration. If character map key is less than the maximum, then return character map key character map, and the character map is the key of the character map that is going to be returned. So the character map, the maximum character is the same as the key. So this value of the key is going to be the same as the maximum character. Then we're going to return maximum character. So with that said, let us console and see what our decorator is going to give us in this particular one. So we're going to have if we iterate throughout these elements, we're going to iterate and we're going to return the maximum number, the maximum character. Seems we have an error. It is saying character map is not iterable. Why is it not iterable? Character map. The character map is not giving what? Character map. What is max character? Max character. Character map is not iterable. You cannot iterate through the character map because it's an object. So what do you mean you cannot iterate through the object? So what we've seen here is return maximum character. First things first. First, what we're doing is we're checking. We're checking if the character is available, and we can say let character map let key, not key of character map. The character map is the old string. Okay, so we're going to have the character key in the character map. I know if we're going to get the correct answer or we're going to get absolute answer. You can see it's still compiling. We're now here. We've compiled, but let key in character map. If character map key is greater than the maximum, then return maximum. That is character key, max character. Then return max character. So what is our maxed character here? Let us see. It's not giving exactly what we need, and why is it not giving us? Why is it not giving us what we need? We need the maximum character here. So maximum character. Where am I going wrong? First function, max character is string. Okay. Then character map is going to have an object. Let max is equals to 0. Then max character is equals to the string. For let for maximum character. What am I getting? It's giving a blank. Maximum character. What am I getting? A maximum. Let max is equals to 0. Then max here is going to be character map, rather key. Max character is equals to key. Return max character. No. I think there's a conflict. There's a conflict between the elements, and let us see if we can work out the conflict here and see what we have. Is it going to give us what we need? This is not satisfying enough. I don't know why. Max character. Remember the max character. Let me see. Let me see. Return max character. This is an error here. Okay. Max character is not defined. max character is not defined. Why is it bringing about max character is not defined? So let us see. Let me see. Console.log max character. I'm so wrong. Max character. Why is it giving? Let me try another example and see if I can work out something, let key in character map. Let key in character map. If character map, that is key, is greater than max, then max is equals to character map key. Okay, then you're going to return max character. I think I'm losing it somewhere. Character map. Where am I losing this? I'll need to redo this.